Our first topic is knowing our numbers. In our daily lives, we all have come across two terms, the term digit and the term numbers. Are these actually same? No, they are not, but we use them as one of the same things. So, before coming to the content of the chapter, we'll discuss the main difference between the two terms, digit and the number. What are digits? Digits refers to the symbols that are used for creating numbers, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 9. Then what are called as numbers? Numbers refers to the combination of two or more digits together. Combination? Does combination means addition? No. Combination here refers to placing two or more digits together and that creates a number. For example, 1 is a digit and 4 is another digit. Combining them together, we get the number 14. So, number refers to combining two or more digits together. So, just now we studied that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 9 are all termed as digits. Can we also call these digits as numbers? No, we cannot call them as numbers because all these represent symbols that are used to create numbers. So when we write only 1, it represents a digit. But when we make it 0, 1, it represents a number. Similarly, writing only 2 or 3, 4, etc. represents the digits. But making it 02, 03, 04 and so on makes them a number because in this case we combine two of the digits together, that is 0 and 1, 0 and 2 and so on, and that creates a number. So further in this chapter we learn about comparing numbers. Now how do we compare numbers? First of all, we look at two cases where we have to compare numbers. The first case involves different numbers having different set of digits. That is, maybe a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number, a 4-digit number, and you have to compare them all. The second case refers to different numbers having the same number of digits. So let's look at how do we compare all these type of numbers together. In the first case, we'll compare numbers having varying number of digits. So, look at example 1. It is the number 8 and the number 13. 8 is a 1-digit number and 13 is a 2-digit number. In the second example, we can see a comparison is to be made between a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. Similarly, in the third example, 2210 and 180, it is a comparison to be made between a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number. In all these cases, when we have different set of digits in the number, the trick is very simple. The number with the greatest number of digits is always the greater. So, can you tell me which is the greatest number in the first example? Yes, 13 is greater than 8 because it is a 2-digit number and 8 is a 1-digit number. Similarly, in the second example, 146 is greater than 20. And in the third example, 2210 is greater than 180 because 2210 is a 4-digit number and 180 is a 3-digit number. So, Always remember, greater number of digits makes the whole number greater. Just now, in the first situation, we learnt about comparing numbers that had different number of digits in it. And we learnt that greater the number of digits, the greater becomes the whole number. Now, what when numbers have the same number of digits? That is, both the numbers are 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers. Now, what can we do in such cases? We'll look at some of the steps which will help us compare such numbers. The first step says, check the first digit from the left. In the following example, we can see the first digit from the left is 4 in 4413 and 6 in 6502. The second step says compare them. Now we need to compare only the initial digits that we took out in the first step, that is 4 and 6. Now on comparing, we get that 6 is greater than 4. Therefore, we can say that the number 6502 is greater than 4413 because the greater the initial digit makes the whole number greater. Now, we will look at some of the examples and make the concept more clear. The first example says, compare 3210, 5437 and 8712. Remember what is the first step? The first step says we have to check the initial digits from all the three numbers. So the initial digits from all the three numbers are 3, 5 and 8. Now, the second step is comparing them all together. On comparing, we get 8 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 3. So, on this basis, we can say that 8712 is greater than 5437 and that is greater than 3210. The second example says compare 2143 and 234. So the first step is checking out the initial digits from the left, that is 2 in 2143 and 0 in 234. On comparing, we get 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, we can say that the number 2143 is greater than the number 234 because we have already learned that the number with the greatest initial digit becomes the greatest. What if the numbers have the same initial digits from the left? In such cases, move on to the second digit from the left and then compare. For example, in the numbers 5543, 5453 and 5367, the initial digits of all the three numbers are same. So, move on to the second number, that is 5 in 5543, 4 in 5453 and 3 in 5367. Take the second number and then compare. On comparing, we get that 5 is greater than 4 and 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, we can say that the number 5543 is greater than 5453 and that is greater than 5367. Now, in cases if the second digit from the left is also the same, what then? Then move on and compare the third digit. Such as in the second example, we can see that both the initial and the second digits from the left are 4. So, we'll compare the third digit, that is 1, in 4413 and 2 in 4429. So, we can say that 4429 is greater than 4413 because 2 is greater than 1, and that makes the number 4429 the greater number. Now we will have a quick recap of what all we have learned in this video. First, we have learned the basic difference between the term digit and the number. What are digits? Digits are the symbols that we use to create numbers, and numbers refer to the combination of the digits together. Then we learned about comparing numbers with different number of digits. So what was the rule? The number with the greater number of digits is always the greater. Then we studied about comparing numbers with same number of digits. So how do we compare numbers with same number of digits? We check the initial digits from the left and then compare them. If the initial digits are the same, we move on to comparing the second digit from the left and then compare the two digits, which help us decide the greater of the 2 or 3 numbers given to us. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever the new video is out.